Hi, my name is Zach Rohr. I represent Booze Supplies in this matter. To quickly reiterate the facts, Liquor Lose entered into a contract with Booze for the purchase of 50 cases of wine, FOB, to Lou's store delivered by June 1st. When Lou's received the shipment, it is alleged that 6 cases of the wine had been broken. Lou's then notified Booze that it was rejecting the whole shipment. It is Boo's position that the breakage of the wine is within standard usage of trade, and in any event, Booze says that it will ship replacement bottles of the wine that will arrive on June 4th. It is Boo's position that they would like to work out a deal with Lou's so that Lou accepts the original and replacement shipment of the boxes of wine. Boo does not contest the fact that this contract would likely be deemed a destination contract, and Boo certainly bared the risk of loss while the wine was in transit. Moreover, Boo understands that Lou's is rejecting the boxes of wine on the basis of the perfect tender rule under the UCC. In part, the rule reads that if the goods or the tender fails in any respect to conform to the contract agreed upon by the parties, then the buyer, which is Lou in this case, may reject the whole shipment of goods. My client certainly understands that Boo has this right to reject the shipment of goods, being that there was a non-conforming tender in the contract because the boxes of wine were broken. However, under 2-508 of the UCC, a seller, Boo, may cure an improper tender or delivery, which is the case here. Under 2-508 subsection 2, when a buyer rejects non-conforming goods which the seller had reasonable grounds to believe would be acceptable, then the seller may seasonably notify the buyer and be granted a reasonable amount of time to substitute a conforming tender. Here, Boo clearly has a right to cure the shipment. This is because Boo reasonably believed the boxes of wine that were shipped to Lou's would be acceptable. Evidence of this comes from the fact that the standard usage of trade shows that 1% of wine bottles break during shipment. Relying on standard usage of trade, it is certainly reasonable for Boo to believe the shipment would have been acceptable to Lou. Moreover, because Boo notified Lou almost immediately after hearing about the non-conforming goods, and Boo told Lou that it will cure the problem by sending replacement boxes of wine, Boo should be granted a reasonable amount of time to deliver another shipment of boxes of wine to Lou. In any case, it is our belief that neither party would like to litigate this matter over a minor mishap. Boo certainly apologizes for the broken cases of wine, and in fact would like to continue to develop a relationship with Lou going forward into the future. Although Lou has a right to reject the wine because there is a non-conforming tender, Boo also has a right to cure the problem. Therefore, we kindly ask Lou to accept both shipments in order to avoid litigating this matter. Again, Boo wants to continue to build a relationship with Lou. If the parties can get over this minor mishap and put it behind them, then the two parties may end up becoming great partners in the wine business. For this, we kindly ask Liquor Lou's to consider our offer, and we look forward to receiving Liquor Lou's response in the future. Thank you for your time.